Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to easily share a contact with someone using an iPhone. There are a few ways that you can do this. The easiest is to send it through a text message since you don't need to be near the other user. I'll show you how to find the other methods, but we'll walk through a text. First, open the Contacts app on your iPhone and then search and find the contact that you want to share. Once you select the contact, you'll see Share Contact near the bottom, depending on how much info you have for them. Choose that. Here's where we can access the different sharing options. First, if you're near the other user you want to share to, you can tap AirDrop. Once the other user is found by AirDrop, you can select them and they can choose to accept the contact share on their phone. Another option inside of here is to email the contact. Choose Mail and then enter the other user's email address and they'll receive it as an email. But we're going to share through text, so tap Messages. Next, type and select the name of the user that you want to share to. Once you've done that, tap the Send button. The other user will then receive your text with the shared contact's info. They can then call, text, email, or save the shared contact to their phone. And that's how you share a contact with someone using an iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.